Is the carry-on-only trend making airfare more expensive, or is it just another Instagram illusion? Let's unpack that. Pun fully intended. Hey, welcome back to Journeys of Peace, where I'm just trying to live a simple, peaceful, nomadic life to cope with the soul-crushing stress that modern travel and certain influencers keep making worse. Travel influencers, love 'em, hate 'em, or just quietly block 'em, they're everywhere. Jetting off to dreamy destinations, rocking those perfectly coordinated airport looks, and flexing those impossibly neat little carry-ons. They make it look easy. No checked bags, no baggage claim, just vibes, views, and, surprise, rising airfare? Yep, here's what nobody's really talking about. The more we all copy that carry-on-only lifestyle, the more airlines cash in. And not always in the way you think. Influencers set the trends. Packing cubes, space-saving hacks, smug airport struts. It all feels aspirational. But when everyone jumps on the trend, the overhead bins fill up, the flights sell out, and airlines, oh, they love it. More demand, more overbooked flights, more excuses to hike prices. It's basically airport economics, with better lighting and filter presets. Here's what they don't show you. The 4 a.m. flights, the 6 months ahead booking, the secret deals, the cousin who works for the airline, that dreamy $400 Euro trip? Yeah, they booked it when you were still recovering from New Year's. For the rest of us, copy-pasting influencer strategies, minus the fine print, often means scrambling and paying more than we bargained for. Are influencers personally responsible for higher airfare? Not exactly, but their trends, like the carry-on craze, quietly fuel demand. More people flying off peak, more competition for budget seats, more packed flights. Add that to over-tourism, airlines cutting routes, and general chaos. And yeah, prices creep up. Meanwhile, airlines? They're catching on. On many international flights, they'll let you check a bag for free. If you book direct, not through some shady third-party site with pop-ups offering bonus crypto. And let's be honest, stuffing your whole life into a carry-on, it's not for everyone. Some of us like shoes, or liquids, or, not wearing the same hoodie for 5 days straight. Look, travel influencers can be helpful if you filter the fantasy from reality. But when they're tossing around words like cheap, hack, budget, and crossing their arms in that dramatic don't do this pose, maybe, just maybe, ask yourself, is their advice real or is it content? Like that pilot's wife who claims she flies with just a personal item? Sweetheart, unless your husband flies for cheap air, I'm not buying it. And I wouldn't board that plane across the Atlantic either. Or the influencer couple with a baby claiming carry-on only? Unless you shipped that kid and their stroller ahead in a box, which, side note, is probably a felony, you definitely checked bags. So what do you think? Is the carry-on only cult harmless, or low-key driving up airfare for the rest of us? Drop your hot take in the comments. I do read them, even the spicy ones. And hey, if you love exposing travel myths, money traps, or just roasting influencer trends, hit subscribe and check out my next video. You won't want to miss it.